In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly duplicate dimensions in AutoCAD using the Add Selected feature. This handy trick can save you time and streamline your work process by allowing you to effortlessly apply existing dimension styles to new objects with ease. To get started, first you'll want to locate and select the dimension style that you wish to duplicate. It's important to note that this dimension might be in a different layer or may differ from the current dimension style you are using. So make sure you choose the one that meets your requirements for the project you're working on. Take a close look at the style and ensure it aligns with your needs, as this will determine how your new annotations will appear. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and right-click on the dimension. As you browse through the options in the context menu, look for the Add Selected option and click on it. This is the crucial step that sets the magic in motion. As soon as you select Add Selected, you'll notice AutoCAD automatically sets the layer and the current dimension style to match the one you have copied. It's seamlessly integrated, so there's no need for you to fiddle with layer settings or dimension style configurations individually. AutoCAD does it all for you, making this process both quick and efficient. Moreover, AutoCAD goes a step further by initiating the Dimension Style tool, effectively priming it for immediate use. You don't have to restart any commands to start placing dimensions again, it's all ready. This is especially useful when you have several objects that require consistent annotation, as you can maintain uniform styles throughout your project. Simply move to your next object, place the dimension, and voila, it's applied beautifully and correctly. This method is perfect for anyone looking to maintain consistency across drawings, especially in larger projects where manually adjusting each dimension style would be cumbersome and prone to error. It helps in maintaining clarity and professionalism in your work. With the Add Selected feature, you not only gain efficiency, but also ensure that your document meets industry standards without breaking a sweat. So next time you're working in AutoCAD and need to replicate dimension styles, remember this quick yet powerful technique. It's all about working smarter, not harder. And with features like this, you'll be able to do just that, enhancing your workflow and saving valuable time. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a pro at duplicating dimensions effortlessly in AutoCAD. Happy designing, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore more AutoCAD tips and tricks. And